welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. CEC inspects Kodli, Dabhal, Kuddegal, Sanguem, Netravalim Kolma and Kavrem mines in South Goa. CEC to hold series of concluding meetings with stakeholders on Wednesday. English translation of Swedish model Lucky Farmhouse's statement does not clear identity of Roy. No mention of surname. CBI sources say statement punchless. GPCC criticizes CM for his double stand on various issues, terms CM as U-turn chief minister. 6 out of 9 Congress MLAs abstain from party convention. Assistant geologist from Mines Department says Mines Department is not the only department responsible for illegal mining in state. Blames Arvind Lolekar, raises question over appointment of Prasanna Acharya. And Reading and Leicester City chase Goa's Brendan Fernandes. ESPN star claims Reading have made $1 million bid. India's market potential could transform. Brendan signing into beating war. And now the news in detail. CEC inspected mines at Kodli, Dabhal, Kuddegal, Sanguem, Netravalim Kolma and Kavrem on Tuesday. CEC Chairman P.V. Jaykrishnan, Mahindra Vyas, Siddharth Chaudhary, along with officials of mining companies and environmentalists inspected the mines. On Wednesday, Commission will hold series of meetings with mining department officials, miners, ore exporters, truck owners and barge owners at Panji. CEC inspected mines at Shirgaon, Sarmanas, Keri Honda and Pisurle on Monday. On day 2, Tuesday, 3-member CEC inspected mines in South Goa. They inspected mines at Kodli, Dabhal, Kuddegal, Sanguem, Netravalim Kolma and Kavrem. They were accompanied by officials of mining companies and environmentalists. On Wednesday, Commission will hold series of meetings with mining department officials, miners, truck owners, barge owners at Boilers and Factories Inspectorate headquarters in Panji. CEC is planning to place a primary report before the Supreme Court for hearing schedule on 2nd November. Bureau Report, Prudent Media. The English translation of Swedish model Lucky Farmhouse's statement does not clear identity of Roy. Though her statement includes Roy, no more details about his identity are revealed, not even his surname. CBI sources hint that the statement is not so strong. This was revealed by sources of CBI who received the translated statement of around 8 odd pages. However, sources refuse to reveal the details.
The CBI finally obtained the English translation of Swedish model Lucky Farmhouse's statement. CBI has received the translated statement of around 8 pages or so. Highly placed sources in CBI say that Lucky maintained her stand regarding involvement of a person named Roy, but the identity of Roy is not yet clear. Lucky has not mentioned Roy's surname or any other details. The CBI officials, however, claim that the statement is not so strong to carry forward their investigation into the lethal police drug mafia nexus. Goa government has already formed a house committee under the leadership of Nuve MLA Mickey Pacheco to investigate police drugs nexus case. Investigation is on. Earlier, Prudent had exposed the video recording of some conversations between Atala and police officials during the alleged drug trade. Former girlfriend of alleged Israeli drug dealer Yaniv Benaim alias Atala had exposed the nexus through a video recording. In March 2012, Swedish police had recorded her statement and handed it over to the CBI through Interpol. Lucky had deposed in Sweden, fearing threat to her life in Goa. Our senior reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
As per the latest information, in a major fire incident, 2 minibuses and a bike caught fire at Panji bus stand. The exact reason of fire is not yet known. However, fire brigade reached at the spot and controlled the fire.
Okay, when we arrived here, we found one motorcycle which had fallen down, had caught fire, and simultaneously two mini buses were involved in fire. Okay, then we started the firefighting operations. Okay, as the fire was quite big, we called for another vehicle at headquarters. So with these fire tenders, the fire was extinguished. Okay, and we could save the remaining buses or the vehicle which was at the surrounding. We could save them. Two buses were there. One bus is the main cabin was involved. Okay, and the other bus at the side, it was partially involved in the fire.
The fire cause?
The fire cause we'll have to see, but according to the eyewitness, what they were here before us, that they were saying that the bike had fallen down, okay, and it had caught fire. Now we'll have to see how the fire was caused. That is under investigation.
A reporter from Panji Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Omkar Farari. Goa Pradesh Congress Committee heavily criticized Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar for his double stand on various issues. Terming him as U-turn Chief Minister, Congress leaders decided to expose ruling government on various anti-people policies. GPCC convention held in capital city passed resolution to support FDI policy of the UPA government. Out of 9 MLAs, only 3 MLAs were present.
तो यू टर्न सरकार राज कर रहा है, जिस आदमी का नाम यू टर्न चीफ मिनिस्टर है, अपने आप को बहुत गौरव महसूस होता है। जो भाई सरकार है, उसको क्या बोलो, ये भाई सरकार चलाने वाला सरकार यहाँ पे गोवा में राज कर रहा है।
Speaking on the occasion, opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane said that present government is anti-people and we will expose the government on every occasion.
दिल्ली एक हल्लो कळो केलो दसऱ्याक बाण मारून ताका घालता जाणून तुमी ताका 10 तोंडां आसता एका तोंडान एक उलयता दुसऱ्या तोंडान दुसरें उलयता कितें नांव तेचें नांव कितें रावळ हें अशें आसा.
Well, former Home Minister Ravi Naik raised the question over the present law and order situation in the state.
केसेस मर्डर जातात, केसेस रेप जातात, चालू आसा, लॉ अँड ऑर्डर नेबल सांग आतां आमच्या बाब पर्रीकर सांगचे तेन्ना एक मातशें खंय तरी जालें मोठो बोवाळ जाले आनी आतां ते पावलो आयज बायलां सेफ खंय आसा. कितले लोक मेले, कित्याक लागून मरता, कित्याक लागून रेप जाता, कित्याक लागून चोरी जाता, हे सगळे तरेचे आयचे राज्यात नाका सगळे.
KP MLA Babu Kawalekar has an advice for CM: don't cheat people.
त्याच म्हणतात केन्ना तुम्ही कितें करता काय म्हणून मी आमदार आसा एक जायात आमी सगळे बरोबर आसा केन्ना काय आमची सरकाराक देवात प्रत्येक सरकार देवात त्यांचे आमदार म्हणतात अशी पद्दतीचो त्यांचा कंठाळ येयल्लो आसा. आयज अशी कोणी कितलीच पॅकेज हाडून दिली आनी बाबा तूं वचनाका ह्या आडी वचनाका त्या आडी वचनाका मजबूर राव अशी म्हणली म्हणून ते आतां उरली ना. कित्याक म्हणची पडटा अशी पाळी कित्याक आयली. काँग्रेस सरकाराक केन्ना पाळी आयली ना की फक्त काँग्रेस मतदारसंघांनी काम करया अशें केन्नाच कोणी केलें ना. जावं ते मुख्यमंत्र्यान केलें ना, जावं त्या पिडोली मंत्र्यान केलें ना, कोणी केलें ना. 40 मतदारसंघात काम जावपा जाय अशे पद्दतीन काम केलें. आज कितें आमचे आमदार आपोवप तुमी जाय ते घेयात पूण हांगा नाकात. हे कित्याक पाळी येयली 6 म्हयन्या भितर 6 म्हयन्या भितर अशी परिस्थिती कित्याक येयली. जो मनीस आपल्याक सावळी घेवपा लागला.
MLA Alex Reginald, former Minister Philip Neri, Babu Asgaonkar, Goa Pradesh Youth Congress President Pratima Kudino and other Congress leaders were present for the convention. A reporter from Panji Mahesh Ghadi with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.